Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. In today's video I'll be reviewing this LOKITHOR jump starter. Now I know many of you have seen jump starters before, but this device here is packed with a lot of great features. Besides being able to jump start a car, it also has a built-in tire inflator, and you can use this as a power bank to charge your devices. Now there is a design feature on this that I've not seen before, and that is a removable battery. Now normally with a jump starter, if the battery dies after a couple of years, you have to throw the entire unit away. But with this, you can remove the old battery pack, order a new one from LOKITHOR, and pop it in here and continue using it. This is a lot greener for the environment because you don't have to throw the entire unit in the trash when the battery's dead. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about this jump starter, so let's get started. Let me first show you the unboxing. Right here is the information for the internal replacement battery. User manual. Traveling case. There's a LOKITHOR jump starter unit. There's a storage bag for the inflator tube. Right here is the tire inflator tube. Jump starter cable. USB-C cable. And the attachment for the tire inflator. Here's a look at everything you get with this device. So let's have a closer look at this LOKITHOR ApartX car jump starter. Now the overall weight of this unit is 3.15 pounds. It's not heavy at all, so it's very easy for you to move this around and take it in and out of your car. Now inside this unit is a 12,000 milliamp hour lithium polymer rechargeable battery. Now before I get into all the features and how to use it, let me first show you the removable battery. Now if I turn this onto the side, you see there's a handle here. Lift the handle up. Now you can pull this battery pack out. And looking on the side, you see this is a lithium polymer 12 volt battery. The peak current is 1500 amp and the capacity is 12,000 milliamp hour. Now this battery is actually very light, it's not heavy at all. To put it back in, just slide it back into the unit. By having a battery pack inside that you can replace, this will allow you to use this for many years and you don't have to throw this in the trash when the battery is no longer usable. Now because this is a brand new product, LOKITHOR will soon have pricing on the replacement battery. The cost of the battery should be around $40, which is very affordable. Looking on the front, right here is a power button. If you press it once, the unit will turn on. Now when you first get it, you should definitely charge it to 100%. In the middle is a display. The number you see here is for the tire inflator. Right now it's measuring bar. If you press this yellow button right here, next unit of measure is kilopascal. Next one is PSI. And you can preset the target tire pressure by pressing the minus and plus button right here. Now the range you can set this to is 10 psi all the way up to 150 psi. Right here is the air hose. To connect this, turn this to the side. Open up this connector right here. Then you can screw in this air hose. And then connect this to your tire. To turn on, press and hold the pump button right here. Once it reaches a target value, the tire inflator will stop automatically. It also comes with these attachments, so you can use it to inflate a ball, or a tube, or floaties. To the left of the display, you have the light button right here. And on this side, there's a 500 lumen flashlight. To turn on, press and hold this. There's a flashlight mode. Press it again. This strobe. Once more, this SOS. And the last press will turn it off. If you lift up this cover, there is a USB-C and USB-A connector. The USB-C connector is both an input and an output. So you can use this connector to charge the internal battery in this jump starter. And you can also use it to charge your devices. Now the USB-A connector is strictly an output connector. With a USB-A connector, the maximum output is 18 watt. And for the USB-C connector, for both input and output, the maximum power is 60 watt. So for example, if you're charging this internal battery at the maximum 60 watt, it will take 44 minutes to fully charge the internal battery. If you're charging it with a regular quick charge 3.0, which is 18 watt, then it'll take 2.5 hours to charge the internal battery. Now over here on the left, this is where you connect the jumper cable. Right here is the jumper cable. And looking at the wire here, this is a 6 gauge wire, so it's very thick and can handle a lot of current. And look at the clamp. This is a very good heavy duty clamp. And to connect this to the unit, plug this blue connector into this side here. has keyed, so it can only go in one way. Now with this jump starter, you can jump start a gasoline engine from 7 to 10 liters. If you're jump starting a diesel engine, then it's able to jump start a 4 liter to 8 liter diesel engine. When you want to use this to jump start a car battery, all you have to do is connect the negative clamp to the negative terminal of the car battery and the positive clamp to the positive terminal of the car battery. Now inside this unit, there are built-in protection circuits. So perhaps if you mixed up the polarity or you accidentally short circuit the two jumper cables, it won't cause any damage to the car or this device. On the display, there are two LED indicators here. The top one is a red LED. If it detects any error, this LED will illuminate to tell you there's an error. Below that, right here, is a green LED. If it's flashing, that means ready to jumpstart the vehicle. Now, if your car battery is very low in voltage, it's possible this unit cannot detect the car battery. In that case, you can set this jump starter to forced start mode. Now, keep in mind when you do this, it'll bypass all the protection circuits, so you definitely don't want to short circuit the jumper cables. And to set this to forced start mode, press and hold this yellow button. So right now, this green LED is on. That tells you it's in forced start mode, and you can jump start a car battery that's very low in voltage. Press it again to release the forced start mode. So let's take this outside and I'll demonstrate some of the features on this device. To charge this unit, here I have a USB-C charger. Plug it into a USB-C port. While it's charging, the top LED will flash and the display will show you the input wattage. Right now it's inputting 23 watt of power. Let me show you how to use a built-in tire inflator to inflate the tire. Here I have the air hose connected to the inflator. Now connect the air hose to the tire. Now once you have the air hose connected and the unit powered on, the display will show you the measured air pressure in the tire. Right now it's measuring 31 psi. Next I'm going to set the target psi of what I want the tire to be inflated to using the minus and plus button. I'm going to set this to 37 psi. Now to turn on the pump, press and hold the pump button right here. Once it reaches the target air pressure, the pump will stop automatically. And right now it's measuring 37 psi. Now I can disconnect the air hose. If your vehicle has a dead battery and you can't start your car, you can use this jump starter to jump start your car. Now my car battery is not dead, but for demonstration purpose, I'll show you how to use this device to jump start your car. First you want to connect the jumper cable to the jump starter. Open up this cover and connect this side of the connector into here. It's keyed so it can only go in one way. Push all the way in. With the safety features built in, even if you short circuit the jumper cable or you connect the clamps to the car battery with the wrong polarity, it will not damage the jumper cable or the car battery. And I'll demonstrate that to you by short circuiting the jumper cable. Here you see the red LED is on and the display will show you an error message. This tells you you have a connection error. To connect this to a car battery, I'll connect the negative clamp to the negative terminal of the car battery. Connect the positive clamp to the positive terminal of the car battery. Right now the green LED is on, letting you know you can go ahead and start your car. Once the vehicle is started, go ahead and disconnect the clamps. Now if you're working around the vehicle and you need some extra light, don't forget it does have a built-in flashlight. To turn on, press and hold the light button right here. There's a flashlight mode. And press it again for strobe. Once more for SOS. If I turn it on, you can use it to illuminate the area that you're working in. With the USB ports, you can use it to charge your mobile device. The display will show you the output is on, and currently is outputting 8 watts. Overall, this is a very good jump starter device. I really like the design of this. Besides being able to jump start a dead battery, it also has a built-in tire inflator, a very bright flashlight, and you can use it as a power bank to charge your devices. With this new design of having a removable battery, this is one device you know you can keep for many, many years. At the time of this review, you can get this on Amazon for $170. If you want to learn more about it, check out the link in the video description below. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.